This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
Bad, cause it's bit bad. She want me the bag, like chips at the front. Lift up, I fly like a pelic in my bed. I like get my way, pelic quick. They get the pop up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's in the back. This a big. This a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just want a party. I just want a rock star.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today's exciting video, we're going to be trying out what I like to call the holy trinity of Panther platform mods. That would be the Canshift, the Sprint Booster, and combine that with a transmission JMOD. So we'll hop in the car and we'll do some road tests. Just so if you guys aren't familiar, the Canshift is a paddle system for automatic transmissions to convert it kind of into like an exotic car. The Sprint Booster, what that does, it doesn't add any power or anything like that, but it makes your throttle body open up a lot quicker, so it's just a lot more responsive. And then what the JMOD does is that's actually a transmission plate. It's like a tough plate, and it's drilled out the openings on it, so you get a lot more fluid into the transmission, and also it shifts a lot better, and it keeps the transmission cooler. The end result is harsher shifting between gears, but that's absolutely what I'm looking for today with the Canshift system. Okay, so right here we can see two of the devices, add-on devices for this car, that I call part of the Holy Trinity. That is the Canshift system, so we got our paddles. And over here is the Sprint Booster, which is set to race mode, position 9. So it's very responsive on the throttle pedal. Also, the Canshift tells us down here what gear it's in. It's a little hard to see under this lighting, but the car is in park. So we're going to go for a ride, and I'll just give you guys an idea of what it's like to use the Canshift system with a JMOD and the Sprint Booster. Okay, so we're going to put the car in manual mode by hitting both paddles on the Canshift system, and off we go. And first and second hit pretty good. Third and fourth, a little bit light on the shifts because I wasn't going full throttle. So here you can see how hard the car is shifting. It's absolutely awesome. Just cruising here in 4th gear, and let's downshift. Holy moly. Woo. And again, off we go, and you're going to see that first and second are pretty damn firm. One thing I wanted to mention was that my JMOD is not dealing with the removal of the accumulator springs. If so, it would shift very violently. Since I wasn't able to attend the Sunnyside Acura show, I figured I'd give them a quick flyby. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.